happy family, but when? So it starts from you on how you treat on how you treat your loved one, diba? If you want to achieve happy family but you don't treat well that person, that's your partner, it won't be happening. Kasi nga, it's a reflection, ganoon yun. So, ano pa bang pag-usapan natin? Talking naman tayo dito. Always talking, Herr Henry, right? Non-stop talking. That's my life. Always talking. But then I like it, So, everybody has a goal. So, we cannot say that goal of other person, it's bad, As long as, that person is working hard to get that goal, to, is not like betraying somebody just to achieve that goal. You know what I mean? You're betraying somebody, or paninikas. We call it paninikas. Oh my goodness, what happened to me? So, ganoon yon. Thank you for the new sub, guys. At saka, so, ano pa nga bang pag-usapan? What else, Henry? It must be. So, tapos na yon, but you have to adjust and be flexible. Yon na yon. Right. So, life is like that. Kaya nga, planning talaga, planned. So, cheers na. Pause na talaga ang mga ano natin. 10-15. Grabe. Wala ka bang napapansin sa aking mga mata? Well, things don't go as planned. Right, that is really true, Henry. Like, you want to really like have a happy family, right? It's really, and that is life. You want to have a happy family, but how to do it? It's hard for me to accept the reality, guys, sometimes like that. Like, I want to, because yun ang tinatawag na don't rely on. That's why, don't rely on someone. Rely on yourself. Do you believe that? Because you are a man, for me as a woman, I always said like that. Well, not rely on someone, I have to rely on myself. And that is really true, guys. Sometimes it's bad and sometimes really good. Right. So I hope, right, everybody has a decision making. Ano pa nga ba? I go with the flow. You go with the flow? Oh my goodness. So, if you are a person who is always going with the flow, which means you don't have your own principle. If you are always going with the flow, right? You need to go with the flow. Sometimes men are like to go with the flow only. It's because guys, they are annoyed. They are annoyed with some kakati ng ko, ikang skin ko. So, ganoon na yon. Ano pa bang topic natin? No, I still do things on my way. Yeps. Yeah. So that is good, Henry.